Ever wondered how those delicious, festive chocolate-dipped candy canes come to life? Imagine the tantalizing blend of minty freshness and rich, creamy chocolate. It's a holiday tradition that brings joy to every taste bud. Well, you're in for a sweet treat today. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need some festive candy canes, your favorite type of chocolate, and optional toppings. Consider crushed nuts or colorful sprinkles to add a bit of crunch or extra whimsy. Got everything? Great. Now on to the fun part. It's time to melt that delicious chocolate. Choose your method, a microwave or a double boiler. Remember, the key to perfect chocolate is to stir occasionally. This keeps it from burning and ensures a smooth texture. Once your chocolate is silky smooth, you're ready for the next step. Now grab those candy canes and let's get dipping. Gently submerge each candy cane into the velvety pool of melted chocolate, enveloping it with a rich cocoa coat. Be sure to shake off any excess chocolate to create a smooth, even layer. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle on some crushed peppermint candies or festive sprinkles for an extra dash of holiday spirit. After you've dipped and decorated all your candy canes, leave them to cool and harden. And voila, you now have your very own homemade chocolate-dipped candy canes. A simple process yielding festive treats that are as delightful to look at as they are to devour. These candy canes are perfect for gifting, decorating, or indulging yourself this Christmas season. And there you have it, a simple guide to making your very own Christmas chocolate-dipped candy canes. We've discovered the magic of melting chocolate, the art of dipping candy canes, and the joy of creating something deliciously festive. Now it's your turn to bring the holiday spirit to your kitchen. Whip up a batch of these sweet treats and share the joy of Christmas with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more sweet treats and festive recipes. Happy cooking!